In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in ClickUp, a task management tool that helps teams collaborate and manage workloads efficiently. Sometimes, while working in ClickUp, you may make an unintended change or simply wish to revert an action. Let's explore how you can easily undo those actions in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific space where you made your change. A space is essentially a high-level organizational unit within ClickUp, so think of it as the main section where all your projects, lists, and tasks live. If you're unsure about where to find your space, you can locate it in the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Click the appropriate space to open it up, and you'll be able to view all associated tasks and lists contained within. Once you've chosen the correct space where the action was made, the next step is to identify exactly what you want to undo. Whether it's a task you've just updated, a comment you've entered, or any other action that needs corrections, simply click on that item. This step is crucial because knowing exactly where the change was made will ensure that you undo precisely what you intend to without affecting any other work you've done. Now, it's time to perform the undo action. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl and Z together on your keyboard. For those using a Mac, press the Command key and the Z key simultaneously. This action will instantly undo the most recent change you made. Keep in mind that this shortcut is quite common across many applications, not just ClickUp, making it a handy tool to remember for other programs too. A little tip for you: if you need to undo multiple actions, you can usually keep pressing Ctrl Z or Command Z to step back through the series of recent changes. Also, remember that undo history may have its limitations, so it's best to correct actions soon after they happen. In conclusion, knowing how to undo actions in ClickUp can save you a lot of hassle and time. By simply navigating to the right space, clicking on the item you want to change, and using the intuitive Ctrl-Z or Command-Z commands, you're all set to keep your tasks and projects neat and accurate. It's always handy to have this tutorial bookmarked for times when you need a quick refresher. So, the next time you make an unintended change, you'll know exactly how to correct it swiftly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy task managing.